Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And today I want to share with you exactly how you can start earning up to $1,000 a day on autopilot and passive income and earn it over and over and over again as a complete beginner, step by step. Now, understand one thing. I know exactly what it's like to be in your position, searching around on the internet, looking for something that's legit, that's the truth, that can make it happen fast and make it happen really cheap without having to pay a ton of money. If this sounds like you and you're like me and you want to start making money online and start your own online business so that you can generate passive income, so that you can quit your job, have a life of freedom, get time back on your side so that you can hang out with your friends, your family, and do what's most important to you and have that true laptop lifestyle where literally you can work on a beach as long as you have an internet connection. Most of it can even be done from your very own cell phone. If this sounds like you and you want a lifestyle like that, where you can literally break free from whatever it is you're stuck in, I want you to think about this for just a moment. And I want you to think about all the pain points that have brought you here to this video right now. Now, is it possibly that you're working a job right now that just doesn't pay enough money? Is it possible that you don't have a job right now? And I'm very sorry if that is the case, because there's a lot of pain and a lot of hurt going on in the world. And that's particularly why I made this video. Just think of the things that are driving you to want to make money online and to break free and to create passive income. Now, those things right there, those things that you're thinking about right now, are the motivating factors that every time you think that you are going to quit and you want to ultimately succeed at creating money online, then those are the things that you have to go back to, that you have to replay in your mind. That pain, that's your motivation. That's the number one thing right there that is absolutely going to change your life for the better. Now, in this video, I want to share with you my system where I show you how to generate $1,000 a day. Now, this isn't something that I just made up. This is proven, and I learned it from my mentor, who has made millions of dollars online and has a phenomenal story that I want to share with you. I also want to share with you two other stories of two individuals that are proof that this works, and they were just like you and I. Understand, a year ago, I was sitting in the exact same position that you are right now, searching around on the internet how to make money online, typing that in, free PayPal cash, looking for legitimate ways to make money online. And I came past a system that was proven that could be done and implemented in 15 days, my friends. And within that time period, you could be up and running with your own online business and making money, because it's proven, it's 100%, and it works if you stick to it and you work it and you stay focused. This takes work. Yes, it does take work. I'm not going to lie to you. But once you put the work in and you keep at it, you can generate passive income. Now check this out over here, you guys. We're on my Instagram feed right here, and I just wanted to show you this corporate diagram right here. Check out this CEO right up here at the top, right? This is the bird at the very top. This guy's fat, right? He's making all the money. He's got all that cash, and this is us. This is most of us right here. Everybody else down here at the very bottom. You see these managers right here in the middle. They got a little bit of crap on them, and then you got these executives right here. They're still getting crapped on. The one at the top is the CEO. He has no crap on him. You know why? Because he gets to make all the decisions. He has all the time freedom. He's making all the money. So how do we get up here? How can we do this? I'm going to show you in this video, you guys. I want you to understand something for a moment right here. If you're working in the corporate world, or you have a job, that you're just an employee, if you're not even anywhere as close up to the top right here, you're never going to become financially free. You're always going to be stuck down here living this miserable lifestyle. Now, there's some people that absolutely enjoy their job. There's a few out there that I understand that happens. And if that's you, that's great. This video probably isn't for you. But most of us, I would say 95 to 98% of us are right here, and we just work ourselves to death, and we're always going to be stuck. We're always going to be struggling, and we're always going to be spending all of our time at work for a set amount of money that's never going to get us free, and will probably work until we die, because we'll never make enough money to actually be able to retire. If that's how you feel, this video is for you, because I'm going to show you, like I said in this video, exactly how you can break free from this 100% legit. I'm going to introduce you to somebody here in just a moment that absolutely changed my life. I want you to understand that this video today can absolutely change your life if you take it serious and you get started today. By the way, check out the #1 recommendation down in the top of this video if you want to just cut straight to it right now. But I have some amazing stories that I want to share with you because they ultimately changed my life and they'll change yours. Now, this individual right here, Mr. Nathan Lucas, freedom influencer himself. If you don't know who this is a great person right here. This is one of, or the person that has had a huge hand in absolutely setting me free and setting me on the right track. And that is because he gave me legitimate step-by-step information. Understand that I was at a place in my life a year ago where I was ready to make a change. I believed in myself. I knew that I had so much more potential than being stuck at a job every single day where I was just getting paid a set amount. And just like the corporate ladder I was just showing you on just a moment ago, where you're constantly just kind of getting crapped on, you're just never fulfilled and you're never going to make enough money. I knew that I had the potential to make a lot of money. And I think you know that as well. I think a lot of people know that there's something going on inside them that they just have to be set free. And all they need is a set of instructions and somebody to believe in them. And I want you to know that I believe in you today. And I know that you can do it, because if I can do this, I know you can do this. Now, Nathan right here, what I wanted to show you on his channel right here is that he's just like you and me. Now, remember this name, Nathan Lucas, because I'm going to show you here in a moment just a fraction of how much money this guy's making. And understand this, he's only been at this for like maybe 3 years now, I believe, and he is making over $1 million in affiliate marketing, digital marketing, you guys, running a YouTube channel, making simple videos. And you don't have to do that. You don't have to make videos. There's tons of great ways to get started in affiliate marketing. But what you need is a step-by-step process that shows you exactly what you need to do. You want to follow an expert, a recipe that leads you to success. Don't go out there and get little bits and pieces of all this stuff and expect that you're going to be able to put it together. You can do that, but what's going to happen is you're going to get burned out because you're going to meet so much failure that you're most likely probably going to give up. Now, one other thing I wanted to show you on this channel, like I kind of already mentioned, is I want you to go down and I want you to watch this gentleman's very first video, because whenever I need inspiration, these are some of the things that I do. Now, Nathan leaves up his original videos, and he has well over 800 videos, I believe now, but he shows you what was going on in his mind, what he was like when he was originally getting started. This guy right here was so nervous when he started filming his first videos. He actually drank a couple of beers a few times just to, shake off the nerves so that he could start filming. Now, understand, I tell you this because I want you to understand that we're all relatable, that all it takes is a decision to want to change our life and to never look back, to just keep going and to never quit and to get the right information in front of us. And I want to show you just how much money this guy is making with the system that I'm going to show you here in just a moment myself. Now, I want to show you one other individual, and this guy's name is Ryan Hildreth. Now, I don't know a ton about his story, but I do know he is making a ton of cash with the same exact system, the same exact information. And he, not too long ago, was working at In-N-Out, flipping hamburgers and giving milkshakes to people in the In-N-Out line. He worked at In-N-Out, you guys, and he has pictures of it. If you watch his videos, he talks about his story and shows you what his life was like. And it wasn't that long ago. Both of these individuals 2 to 3 years ago literally were not making very much money at all. Now, freedom influencer Nathan Lucas, he absolutely loved his job. He just knew that he wanted more in life. He was one of the people that absolutely loved his job. He always talks about that. But I show you these stories, you guys, because I want you to know that it's true and that you can do this as well, because I know that I needed that belief as well. And I think a lot of people can relate to this. And so check those videos out. And I want to introduce you to one more person. Now, this person right here, Mr. David Sharp, is the individual that created this 15-day system that I'm talking about in this video. And this gentleman right here was literally almost going to die at one point because he was burned out. He was a drug addict. and he worked a construction job like 8-9 hours a day in the Florida heat. He had to, literally transform his life, and he got into affiliate marketing. He got around the right people that mentored him, and he ultimately created Legendary Marketer, and he taught people a proven, legit way. And what I love most about Legendary Marketer, my friends, is they're honest, they're real, they have integrity, and they have a whole team of experts that are going to reach out to you and show you exactly what you need to do to succeed. The only thing standing in your way is you and the will to want to implement this. If you want a real life of freedom and you want to start a legitimate online business that pays you passive income over and over again, let's go ahead and take a look at this, since we're already talking about this. And I want to show you first and foremost some of those names that we were just looking at. Now, let me pop back over here so that I can minimize this screen right here. Look at these individuals right here. This is the leaderboard on Legendary Marketer right here. And I want to show you the ranks here in a moment, but I wanted to show you these names, right? This is total commissions. This is for today, and this is June 1st, and the last 7 days and last 30 days. But look at these names right up here at the top. Now, I showed you Ryan Hildreth. This guy is 4 times gold, and I'll show you what that means here in just a moment. Nathan Lucas is ranked diamond, and we could go on with some more names as well, but we just talked about those two. And if you'll notice over here, you'll see their names pop up quite a bit. Ryan Hildreth, Nathan Lucas. Now, they learned how to do what they're doing to make this kind of money within the past 2 or 3 years right here on Legendary Marketer. And you can do the exact same thing. They're just like you and I. So I wanted to show you the commission thing right here so you could see just how much money they were making, right? Let me click on that. So you can see gold is someone who has made $10,000 in commissions. So Ryan was 4 times gold, and Nathan is a diamond affiliate. So he's made well over $1 million in commissions, you guys. That is a ton of money. Now, if you want to know how you can get started doing this, as I've already said, I've dropped the link down in the top of this description. It's my #1 recommendation, and I'll say that over and over again. This is the best way to make money online, legit, honest, with integrity. It starts right here. If you are a serious individual that wants to start get started making money online. And what I loved about this the most is that it's literally, you guys, it's so simple. They set this up step by step to show you exactly how to make money online. Let's pop over here to the screen right here. Now, once you get signed up and you start your 15-day challenge, the first thing that you want to do, this is extremely important, is you want to come right over here and you want to schedule your appointment and claim your free products right here. Now, what's going to happen is somebody is going to reach out to you, and there's someone that is an expert in this field in affiliate marketing. They're going to help you get through this 15-day challenge right here, identify your strengths, your weaknesses, and help you set up your very own online business. And they break it down day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and it's a simple recipe and instructions to success. I mean, it doesn't get any easier. I knew nothing about affiliate marketing when I was getting started. I dabbled around in this when I was about 15 years old, and I met complete failure. I spent a lot of money, I wasted a lot of time, and it was mostly just me experimenting, trying to figure out different things with ClickBank. If you've messed around with ClickBank and you're trying to figure that out, just stop it, you guys. Just pay the money to get started. People are willing to pay so much money, thousands and thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars, some folks, to go to college, to get a job that they don't like, to be stuck in that ladder where they're constantly just never happy and can never break free. Now they're in a ton of debt. Now they're trying to start a family. They're in even more debt, and they just can't ever break out of that cycle. If this sounds like you and you want to break free from whatever it is that you're stuck in, this is the way to do it. All right, you guys, so you know where to get started. Check it out down in the top of the description. If you found any value in this video and you know somebody else who's trying to change their life that wants a life of freedom, make sure that you share this video. If you found any value in this video, make sure that you crush that thumbs up. That's super, super important. Help support this channel. Show me some love, you guys. I always appreciate the love. Make sure that you drop me a comment and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Hit that bell notification because I come out with videos just like the one you're watching right now every single week, teaching you the best money-making strategies online. That's all I have for you. Don't forget to check out the videos on the end screen. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.